Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. January 2026 is already shaping up to be a big month for gaming and tech, and today we've got a packed lineup to break down. We're talking about major Xbox wins like Final Fantasy VII Remake Intergrade finally landing on Series XS, a brand new action RPG sequel with Code Vein 2, fresh content coming to the fighting scene with Fatal Fury, City of the Wolves, and a big push toward cloud gaming as the Xbox app expands to smart TVs. On top of that, we'll look at what's new on GeForce NOW this month, plus how NVIDIA is pushing physical AI in ways that could impact everything from robotics to future games. If you want to stay ahead of what's coming next in gaming, hardware and cloud tech, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. Okay, let's get straight to it. Final Fantasy VII Remake Intergrade is making its highly anticipated debut on Xbox Series XS on January 22, 2026. For years, this title has been a cornerstone of the PlayStation ecosystem, and its arrival on Xbox is a massive win for Microsoft and its dedicated player base. This isn't just a base game. The Intergrade version includes all the graphical enhancements and quality of life improvements, plus the excellent Intermission DLC featuring Yuffie. This means Xbox players will get the definitive experience right from the start. Why is this such a big deal? Final Fantasy VII Remake is a masterclass in modern RPG design, reimagining a beloved classic with stunning graphics, a dynamic combat system, and an expanded storyline. Its arrival on Xbox means a huge influx of new players will get to experience one of the generation's most compelling narratives and engaging gameplay loops. It also signals a continued trend of major third-party exclusives making their way to more platforms, which is always a win for gamers. Expect breathtaking cinematics, deep character development, and strategic real-time combat that will keep you on the edge of your seat. The world of Midgar has never looked better, and now Xbox players can finally join Cloud, Tifa, Aerith and Barret on their journey against Shinra and Sephiroth. This is a game that truly deserves to be experienced by as many players as possible, and its launch on Xbox is a fantastic way to kick off the new year. The moment many of you have been waiting for is almost here. Code Vein 2 is set to unleash its unique brand of action, RPG combat, and gothic anime aesthetics on Xbox Series XS on January 30, 2026. This sequel builds directly on the foundations laid by the first Code Vein, which was praised for its challenging combat, deep character progression, and distinct visual style. According to official announcements, Code Vein 2 will remix its themes and imagery, suggesting a fresh take on the beloved formula while retaining the core elements that fans adored. Expect even more intricate level designs, formidable new bosses that will test your skills, and a continuation of the compelling narrative that explores the world of Revenant and the fight for survival. For those unfamiliar with the series, Code Vein offers a robust character creator, a unique blood code system that allows for flexible class changes, and intense strategic combat that rewards careful planning and execution. The sequel is expected to expand upon these systems, offering new blood codes, weapons, and abilities to master. The arrival of Code Vein 2 on Xbox is fantastic news for fans of the genre, especially those who appreciate games like Dark Souls, but with a distinct anime flair. It's a challenging, rewarding experience that offers a lot of replayability. Get ready to gather your companions, choose your blood code, and dive headfirst into the brutal, yet beautiful world of Code Vein 2. SNK is wasting no time in 2026, as they announced back on December 9, 2025, that Fatal Fury, City of the Wolves, will be launching its second season of content in January, while the specifics are still mostly under wraps, keeping us on the edge of our seats. A new season in a fighting game almost always means exciting new additions. Typically, a new season brings a fresh roster of characters, expanding the strategic possibilities and introducing new fighting styles to master. We could see the return of beloved characters from the Fatal Fury universe, or perhaps even brand new fighters making their debut. Beyond characters, new stages, balance adjustments, and potentially new gameplay mechanics are often part of a seasonal update, aiming to keep the meta fresh and the competition fierce. Fatal Fury, City of the Wolves, has already re-established the franchise with its stunning visuals and deep combat system, and the Season 2 indicates strong post-launch support. This is fantastic news for the fighting game community, as it ensures the game will continue to evolve and offer fresh content for players to sink their teeth into. Keep a close eye on SNK's official channels as January approaches, as they're sure to drop more details about what's coming in this highly anticipated second season. Get ready to unleash some devastating combos and climb the ranks. On January 5, 2006, Xbox announced a game-changing move that further solidifies its commitment to cloud gaming and accessibility. The Xbox app will now be available on select Hisense and vHome OS powered smart TVs. This means that with just a compatible controller, you can dive into hundreds of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate titles directly from your television without needing an Xbox console. This is a massive step towards democratizing gaming. It removes the barrier of needing expensive hardware, opening up the Xbox ecosystem to a whole new audience. Imagine sitting down, turning on your smart TV, and instantly streaming Halo, Forza, or Starfield with just a few clicks. It's truly a vision of the future of gaming becoming a reality. This partnership with Hisense and V, two prominent TV manufacturers, shows Xbox's strategic intent to integrate its services deeply into the living room experience. For existing Xbox owners, it provides an additional, convenient way to play, perhaps in another room without moving their console. For new players, it's an incredibly easy entry point into the vast library of Game Pass. We can expect this trend of cloud gaming integration with smart TVs to continue, making gaming as simple as launching a streaming app. This is a win for convenience, accessibility, and the overall growth of the gaming community. Keep an eye out for compatible models, and get ready to stream your favorite Xbox games directly on your TV. NVIDIA is making sure GeForce NOW subscribers have plenty to play as we head into 2026. They just announced the stellar lineup of 14 new games joining the cloud gaming service throughout January. This is fantastic news for anyone who loves the flexibility and power of streaming their favorite titles without needing a high-end local rig. Among the highlights are some seriously exciting games. We're talking about titles like the highly anticipated action RPG Banishers, Ghosts of New Eden, the intriguing horror experience, The Casting of Frank Stern, and the epic sci-fi shooter Warhammer 40k, Space Marine 2, which is even GeForce RTX 5080 ready on the cloud. But the list doesn't stop there. Other notable additions include Eternights, Mayo, Memories in Orbit, a new release on Steam and Xbox with Game Pass support, and Supermarket Simulator, also available on Xbox and Game Pass. This diverse selection ensures that, whether you're into action, strategy, indie gems, or simulation, there's something new for everyone. This continuous expansion of the GeForce NOW library reinforces its value proposition, offering an ever-growing catalog of games that you can stream across your devices. From low-power laptops to smartphones, it's all about making high-fidelity gaming accessible and convenient. These new additions are powered by NVIDIA's cutting-edge cloud infrastructure, promising smooth performance and stunning visuals. NVIDIA is once again at the forefront of innovation, announcing on January 5, 2026, the release of their new physical AI models. This is a game changer for the robotics industry, as these models are designed to enable robots to understand and interact with the physical world with unprecedented intelligence and adaptability. The announcement comes as NVIDIA's global partners are simultaneously unveiling their next-generation robots, powered by these very advancements. Imagine robots that can not only perceive their surroundings, but also physically manipulate objects with human-like dexterity, navigate complex environments autonomously, and learn new tasks on the fly. This leap forward in physical AI has profound implications across numerous sectors. In manufacturing, it means more efficient and flexible automation. In logistics, smarter and faster delivery systems. With smart homes, more capable and helpful robotic assistants. And even in gaming, we could see incredibly realistic and reactive AI characters in environments that blur the lines between virtual and reality. This development underscores NVIDIA's deep commitment to advancing AI beyond just data centers and into the physical world. By providing the underlying intelligence, NVIDIA is empowering its partners to create robots that are not just machines, but intelligent agents capable of complex tasks. This is a clear step towards a future where robots play an even more integrated role in our daily lives. Keep an eye on this space. The robotics revolution is accelerating, fueled by NVIDIA's cutting-edge AI. So that's a look at what January 2026 has in store. From iconic games opening up to new platforms, to sequels raising the bar, to cloud gaming becoming easier than ever to access, it's clear the industry is moving fast and in some interesting directions. Whether you're excited to revisit Midgar, test your skills in tough action RPG combat, dive into competitive fighters, or stream high-end games without owning expensive hardware, there's something here for every kind of player. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and let me know which announcement you're most excited about. And if you want more updates like this, covering gaming news, tech shifts, and what they actually mean for players, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.